Hi, hello everyone. It's me again, Ate Tan. Ngayon, share ko po sa inyo paano po natin tugtugin yung one day. So, hindi po ako, disclaimer po, hindi po ako expert or kasi bago lang po ako. Kaka-start ko lang po mag-ukulele, siguro mga ilang araw pa lang. So, ngayon, share ko po paano po natin tutugtugin yung ukulele, yung one day sa strum at saka sa plucking. So, ayan. So, turo ko po muna. Apat po yung chords ng one day. C. Yan. G. Yan. And then, A minor or A minor. And then, F. Ganyan. Ayan. So, yung strum naman natin, meron po tayong, ito po yung strum natin is down, up, top, down, up, top, down, up, top, down, up, top. Ganyan. Per chord, like C, dalawang beses po yun, like ganito. So, yun. So, ngayon, tuturo ko din po yung ano naman, sa plucking. Paano po natin gagawin yung plucking? Example ito, C. So, pick po natin to, pa-pluck po natin yung first string, third string, sabay. Ganyan. Tapos, next is yung third string. Ganyan. So, third string, first string, sunod, and then second string, ganyan. Yan, sabay. Ready? 1, 2, ganito. First string, one more. First string, and then third string, sabay po siya. Tapos, susunod po natin yung third string. Ganyan. Tapos, first string. Tapos, second string. Yan. So, subukan po muna natin yung si strum. Kantahan po natin. Sometimes I lay under the moon and thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray to take me soon, 'cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown. That'll never gonna get me down. So when negativity is around, I know someday it's around, because of all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people who say that we don't want to fight no more. There will be no more wars and the children will play. One day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. So, yun po yung down, up, top. Down, up, top. Down, up, top. Down, up, top. So, yun po siya. So, subukan naman po natin yung so, ngayon tuturo naman natin yung plucking version naman niya. Ito po, hindi po ako expert. Ito lang po yung way ng plucking ko. So, share ko lang po sa inyo. Like, see? Sabay po natin pa-pluck yung third string and then first string. Tapos, sundan po ng third string ulit. Tapos, first string and then second string. Same thing po sa G. Tapos, pagdating po natin sa A minor or A minor, sabay na po yung first string and first string. Tapos, third string, first string, and second string. Same thing naman po sa F naman. Sabay din po yung first string, tapos third string, isa, then first string, and then second string. Yan. It's not about of the innocent badgers brave men keep on moving through the waters they raging. In this maze, Ukelele's your way. It might drive you crazy, but don't let please you. No way, no way. Ganyan. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I'll never let it get me down. So when negativity is around, I know it's around all the time. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people who will say that we don't wanna fight no more. When the children will say one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, oh. So, sa verse 3 naman, pwede po natin baguhin din yung chord. Ay, hindi po yung chord, sorry. Pwede po natin baguhin yung strum. Depende po sa inyo. Gusto nyong i-strum lang, baguhin yung strum. So, baguhin yung style. So, ito yung style ko. One day this all will change. Treat people the same. Stop with the violence, down with the hate. One day we'll all be free. I'm proud to be free. Under the same sun, sing songs of freedom like waya, 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 waya. Yun. All my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There will be no more wars, and no children will play. One day, one day, one day, oh. One day, one day, one day, oh. So, ayun, sa lahat ng mga katangski, I hope may natutunan kayo ngayon sa post ko. So, kung bago pa lang po kayo sa akin channel, don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.